Okay, so let's look at the pronouns he, she, it. Right. So be. So in this case it's is. You wouldn't say he am, she am, it am. It is. It is. It is the wrong pen. It is. It's. She is. She's. He is. He's. He is. He is there. He's coming here. She's going to go there. What is it? It's very large. It's very long. It's very deep. It is very deep. So yes, we get rid of the I in the the vowel I, and replace it with apostrophe. Nice and simple. But that's one exception. The be verb, he, she, it, is, not am. He will, he'll. Very straightforward. He will be here. He will be going. He would, he'd, W-O-U-L-D, he'd be here soon. He'd be coming if you had not said something. He has, he's. Now this is another exception. So have turns into has, H-A-S, H-A-S, not H-A-V. And we drop the H-A, he has, he's. He has been here. He's been here. He's been to see the film already. Yeah? He's been saying that for years. Makes sense. Had. He had. He had. Get rid of the H-A. Leave the D, add an apostrophe. He'd have seen it already. He'd have done that by now. He would have been there already. Makes sense. So she will, she'll. Get rid of the W, add an apostrophe. She'll be here soon. She would, she'd, W-O-U-L, place it with a D. She'd be here. She'd be here soon. She would be here soon. She'd be coming tomorrow. Yeah. She'll be coming here tomorrow. Makes sense. And same again with the have. Have turns into has. Same here. She has. She has seen the film. She has read the book. She's already read those books. She's already written the latest novel. She's already published it. Makes sense. She had. She'd. She had better see the doctor. She'd better see the doctor. She had better go to the hospital. She'd better go to the hospital. Makes sense. Huh? It is. It's. It is very cloudy outside. It is very dark. It's very dark out there. It will. It'll be here soon. It'll arrive soon. What will? The parcel. It'll be here soon. Makes sense. It would. It'd. W-O-U-L-D. It'd be here tomorrow. It'd be tomorrow. It'd be tonight. It'd have to be soon. It'd have to be now. It has. It's. Again, the have turns into has. H-A-S. Not H-A-V-E. Has. It has been there. It has been broken. It has been repaired. It's been seen to. It's being seen to. It's being cleaned. It's being updated. It's running out of ink. It's running out of ink. It had. It'd. It had better last a few more lessons. The ink, it had better be still useful. But it'll run out of ink soon. And that's okay because it's very cheap. Very cheap. So it's been quite useful. It's been quite useful over these weeks and days. It would, it'd last longer if it was a better quality, better brand, I suppose. But it had better last until the end of this course. We shall see. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.